egg roll in a bowl. Holla if you hear me. I'm talking about eating Chinese again, never having to worry about flour and mad grease. This is gonna be so good. Extra virgin olive oil, you put at the bottom of the pan, right? And then I take half of a bag of coleslaw, put that in there. I'll put a little bit of bean sprouts, but you don't have to have those. Those are delicious. Mom, I know you probably don't like bean sprouts, but sprouts are the best thing you can eat. You can eat broccoli sprouts, whatever sprouts you want. Put sprouts in there. I put broccoli, I put onions, and I also put avocado. Next, we're gonna add something else after we cook it a little bit. Oh, apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons. And then we're also gonna add gluten-free tamari. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my first time using gluten-free soy sauce. I always gotta use something else. Anyway, this is gonna be awesome. You're gonna love it. I'm Worth It Incorporated really wants to thank Tom Fisher. Period. Thank you so much for sponsoring this episode. You are infinite in value. And if you want to be a sponsor, like our friend Period, then go to the link below. It's $50 or more on PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. We also have Payoneer. If you're in Pennsylvania and you have Widget Financial, you can sponsor us that way too. And if you don't have any of those options, but you really want to sponsor an episode, well, just get in touch. Click the Calendly link below and we'll set up a Zoom and figure out how you can support the I'm Worth It Incorporated YouTube channel. You're worth it. Thanks again, Period. Last step, I added steakum, 2 of these. You can add as much as you want, or you can add whatever beef. You can put sausage or no meat too. A lot of people are vegan. But then I also take 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce. I'll put the links below, okay? You're worth it. Before you take it to the face, one last step. You portion out your sizes, put the rest in your fridge or your freezer, and I want to let you know that you're worth it. So congratulations on eating healthy. Thanks for joining my family. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell to receive my uploads when I do upload twice a week, sometimes more. So watch out for that. And all of my links for all of my cooking equipment, all of my spoons, my food, everything, all of those links can be found in the description below, along with the entire recipe, okay? You're worth it. Taking it to the face, the moment you've all been waiting for, the egg roll in a bowl. Now, I added something a little extra after because I was like, man, there's nothing red in there. So I went to the store and I got some love beets. These are beets, they're already cooked. There's nothing in them. They're just so delicious. And they're called love beets. I'll show you below where I got them. I love this sauce. Man, remember, gluten-free tamari sauce like I showed you. Guys, I'm going to add more broccoli. And I'm going to add some watercress next time. And maybe some celery too. Anyway, this stuff is banging. Check it out. Recipes below. You're worth it. She's a fair girl, land of the free. She's a fair